Now, I've shown you guys how to fix this issue before. That's when the top of the door does not want to close because it's hitting the top of the jamb. But I've never shown you some of the specialty tools to fix that. Now, your first instinct might be to throw a large screw behind that hinge, but that doesn't always work, and that's where this comes in. Tools have a specialty pin remover, so the first step is to remove the top and middle pin. Next, we're going to pick it up and slide a shim in there. Next, we're going to use the wrench to bend the 3 knuckles on the door to match the 2 knuckles on the jamb. So we got to bend them that way. So and back in. Lastly, take the shim off and look at that perfect margin and no more rubbing. So yeah, hopefully that helped.